Hey everyone, in this one I will be making some cinnamon donut muffins that are absolutely delicious. Stay tuned, watch the recipe, try it out for yourself, and let me know how you liked it. Thanks guys. 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour in the bowl. 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, in we go. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, let's get it in there. Incorporate all the dries together. Set the dries aside. Let's get the wets out. 1 egg. Make sure you got no shell in there. Let's just get the egg. We've got 3/4 cups of sugar going into that egg. Followed by 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And then we're going to go ahead and get 3/4 cup of 2% milk in there. We're going to stir that together. Get all the wets blended up nice. Now we will take the wets and we'll put the wets in the dry. We will then incorporate the wets and the dries together, making a nice lovely muffin batter as we go. Once fully incorporated, we will pull out the old muffin pan. We're going to grease that pan real good. We do not want a little, even tiny bit of stickage. Then we're going to go ahead and put about 1/2 of the batter into each of these muffin pans. We will then center those with 1 teaspoon of jam. And then we will fill the remainder full, which in my case, I kind of overfilled a little bit, but 1/3 more. Muffins then go into a 350-degree oven. While they bake, we will prepare the topping. 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/3 cup of sugar. Shake the baggie to combine together. Now we'll roll the muffin in butter, roll with cinnamon sugar. And here is the final result of the cinnamon donut muffin that is filled with raspberry jam instead of strawberry. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make it. I hope some of you bake along with me. Here's a little break open sneak peek of what we got on the inside with the filled jelly. This one didn't have enough in the middle. There we go, there we go. There's the money shot. There's the filled jelly on the inside. I hope you enjoyed. These muffins are absolutely delicious. Please do enjoy. Try the recipe yourself if you enjoyed watching. Have a good day, everybody. Remember to click the like and subscribe button. We will have plenty more cooking in the future. Comment what you want to see next down below, guys, and have a good rest of your day. Take it easy.